What is the Power BI service? The Power BI service, also known as Power BI Online, is a cloud-based platform that complements Power BI Desktop by enabling the sharing, collaboration, and management of Power BI reports and dashboards. Here are the key features and components of the Power BI service. Publishing and sharing. Publish reports and dashboards created in Power BI Desktop to the Power BI service. Share these reports and dashboards with colleagues, teams, or the entire organization. Dashboards. Create and customize dashboards by pinning visuals from different reports. Dashboards provide a consolidated view of key metrics and can be shared with others. Collaboration. Collaborate with team members by sharing insights, adding comments, and annotating visuals directly within the service. Users can interact with reports and dashboards in real time. Data refresh. Set up automatic data refresh schedules to ensure that your data is always up to date. The Power BI service supports both on-premises and cloud-based data sources for scheduled refresh. Apps and app workspaces. Create and distribute apps, which are collections of related dashboards and reports. App workspaces allow teams to collaborate on creating content before publishing it as an app. Row-level security. Implement row-level security, RLS, to control access to data within reports. This ensures that users only see the data that they are authorized to view. Mobile access. Access and interact with Power BI reports and dashboards on mobile devices through the Power BI mobile app, available for iOS, Android, and Windows. Data flows. Use data flows to define, connect, and manage data preparation processes. Data flows can be reused across different reports and datasets, ensuring consistency and reducing redundancy. Natural language Q&A. Ask questions about your data in natural language and get answers in the form of visualizations. This feature makes data exploration more intuitive and accessible. Integration with other services. Integrate with other Microsoft services such as Azure, Dynamics 365, and Office 365, as well as third-party applications to extend the functionality of the Power BI service. Usage metrics. Monitor the usage of reports and dashboards to understand how users are interacting with the content. Usage metrics provide insights into the reach and impact of your BI solutions. Embedded analytics. Embed Power BI reports and dashboards into your own applications, portals, or websites using Power BI Embedded. This allows you to provide analytics capabilities directly within your software solutions. AI and machine learning. Leverage AI and machine learning features such as AI visuals, automated machine learning models, and integration with Azure Machine Learning to gain deeper insights from your data. Data protection. Ensure data security and compliance with features like data encryption, data loss prevention, DLP, and sensitivity labels. Power BI service supports various regulatory and compliance standards. The Power BI service enhances the capabilities of Power BI Desktop by providing a platform for collaboration, sharing, and managing BI content across an organization, making it easier to deliver data-driven insights to stakeholders.